Hey guys, happy Thursday to you. I want to share with you a new find of mine that I am just in love with. This is the Eloise Mini Teardrop Brush. It is actually in a rose gold finish, a kind of a mirror finish. And this is a $50 retail value. That's how much it sells for on their website. And again, this is the mini. It does come in a medium and a large, and these brushes sell out so quickly. One of the things that I love is the packaging. It is really beautiful, and it itself is a statement. This brush just sitting on this little fluffy satin pillow is just so beautifully done. They made sure to look at every detail of their presentation. It's a lovely brush. The bristles are super soft, and this particular brush boasts 500,000 bristles, and they are just ultra soft. You can use this for your tanning lotions, your body shimmers, your foundations, whatever you want to use it for. You can definitely do that. These brushes are well made. They last a very, very long time. As long as you're taking care of them properly, these brushes will last you quite a while. I am so excited to have this. This particular brush was featured in BoxyCharm recently, and I am just so happy to have been able to get my hands on one. So if you get a chance, make sure that you get over to EloiseBeauty.com and check out their brushes as well as their cosmetics. And I'll see you in my next video.